Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to extend background. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get started. The first step is to open a photo you want to edit. Select the crop tool. Extend the width and align. Make sure Content Aware is checked. Then click Checkmark. If some defects appear, we can fix them using Spot Healing Brush Tool or Clone Stamp Tool. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.